We continue by learning how to read the depth micrometer scale. The procedure for reading the depth micrometer is similar to reading an outside micrometer. However, on the depth micrometer, the smallest figure is obtained when the thimble has been fully turned out. When using a standard rod for 0 to 25 millimeters, place the base onto a known flat surface and turn the thimble clockwise until the rod contacts the surface. Then check that the scale reading is on 0. Hold the instrument by its base only when observing the scale. Notice that the thimble 0 and datum line 0 are now aligned. This then is the 0 depth reading. The sleeve is graduated up to 25 millimeters. As with the outside micrometer, each 5 millimeter division is subdivided into 1 millimeter divisions. Each 1 millimeter is divided by a ½ millimeter division. And one complete revolution of the thimble moves the rod by ½ millimeter. As you can now see, the principle of reading the depth micrometer is the same as for reading outside micrometers. It is suggested that you now get a little practice in taking readings using a 0 to 25 depth micrometer. Measure objects for which the standard dimensions are known and compare your readings to the figures given. You can learn more about precision measuring instruments by viewing other programs in this series.